Hello fellow American entrepreneur. If you're watching this video, you are probably looking for a way to make money online in the USA. I have some great news I want to share with you today. The USA is truly the land of opportunity. They are everywhere if you are looking, especially online. That is why I am excited to share this information with you. You see, there are many ways to profit online. There is affiliate marketing, selling other people's products online for a percentage commission. Then you have e-com, basically having your own storefront online. You set up a website generally with a service like Shopify. Next, find products from sites like Amazon to sell online. Then there is network marketing, building a team of distributors selling the same product or service, in which you can earn overrides on their work and yours. There are many ways. The way I have found to be most effective is the marketing of high-in-demand digital or informational products. That way there is no shipping, no waiting, they are delivered instantly. Then combine that with a business model that allows you to earn $100 to $1,000 per day, even multiple times per day. And on top of that, you can earn on other people's sales as well. An awesome business model that can make you your own boss, with enough work and commitment. If you want to find out more about this awesome program, click the link below this video and tell me where to send your information. Thanks for watching and have a great day.